Alright, y'all, welcome back to the journey. So we're going to be getting back into the well house build because I went and got some insulation and doing some stuff. But this morning I was actually trying to record a little bit, just showing a little bit of the things that we have going on here at the property, because it's not always just about the build, even though that's what I'm working on currently, right? We are a family vlog channel. So therefore, we showing you guys and gals everything that we're doing, to include, you know, working on a well, closing that valve all the way so it stops leaking water, you know, things like that. And obviously, if you did not know, because you're new to our channel, that we are still in process of growing. We are still in process of gathering materials, gathering equipment, gathering all these things. We are on a retired military budget. So that is our main source of income. But thank you guys. Thank you. We are now monetized on our main channel, not on the side channel. And if you didn't know that we had a side channel, yes, we do. It's just a daily vlog, Monday through Friday. You go in, you get a little bit of the sneak peeks. Sometimes we spill the beans a little bit. Who knows, might even have a Navy story here and there. But yes, that is just the daily scuttlebutt with IFF. If you're not subscribed there, go check it out. We're growing a little bit over there, but I think we're at like 200 and something videos now over on that channel. So go back, watch them from the beginning, be greatly appreciated. But this morning I was doing my daily chores. I guess not necessarily daily, but got bugs going down my shirt. Come on, man. I was hooking up the water buffalo, and if you guys don't know what that is, I can list that link up here. Go check it out. And getting water, because our water, right, is here. This is where the well's at. But then our laundry that we do is way over there. If you can see where the water buffalo set up, that's where we still have our tent, where we have our washer and dryer. And I even have that video if you guys want to go check it out. If you haven't seen it because you're new, I'll list that up here. Go check it out. But then come right back, because I have a lot more work to be done here. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, so next up on the chopping block is going to be getting installation put up. So I went and found the staple gun. Willow, obviously, out here always helping, or at least thinking she's helping. So let me go ahead and pull this out. I already had to clear out cobwebs. And then this is actually what I'm just going to utilize for flashing up here at the top. So I have not done that yet, to be able to get the front kind of flashed in with the roofing, because I attempted to use this, which is a ridge cap, but when I put it up there, it just did not look good. So I didn't like the way it looked. So we're gonna get that knocked out, and then insulation. All right. All right. Gonna try to get you guys up here with me. And this is thicker, so that's gonna unravel. Get our tools up here without it falling out. Don't want to have to deal with peeling that stuff off, so. Put it that way. why we can't have nice things, Anson. That's why we can't have nice things. All right, that's all done. Yeah, I just went ahead and did it off camera because I got into stuff like this, and I was just getting frustrated. And this side's even a little worse than the other side, but whatever. I'll come in with some roofing goo and fill in these little holes. That way, make sure that no water gets down in there. But anyway, that part's done. Now, let's go take a quick break. Probably need to change shirt, and then we'll get into doing some insulation. All right, done with the union break. Got to change the clothes, change the shirt, which probably should be in something a little more covering when you're working with fiberglass, but I guess I'm a glutton for punishment. Well, I know I'm not going to need all of this. I probably should have opened this up over in the shed, because some of these are going to the shed. Yeah. I'll at least put on gloves. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7. That'll be close. Should be close. Alright. Alright, so I do still need to put my wood up here, so I'll do that before I do the ceiling, which I'm gonna wait to do the ceiling last. Yeah, I don't know. That's just me, I guess. But I'm gonna go ahead and basically start here. Just work my way around, or I'll probably do the big bays first. There, and there. Because those should not require any cut. Well, I can fill in these gaps up here on the top, up there, and I'm going to start off with the big bays because those don't require any type of... Let's go ahead and break this open and we'll get to filling in our gaps. He steps through without falling into the hole. saying, let's just dig a big old hole right here in the middle of the... Probably should have waited to last to do that. Helps them come prepared. It's probably easier if you measure and cut it when it's not on the wall, but oh, probably been difficult, I guess. Groovy. There's one. There's two. Three and four. And just like that, we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, yeah, all the rest of them. So I do want to come in here and I'll probably, you know, seam up some of this stuff, you know, with using tape, which, I mean, from what's in here right now is good. I mean, it's a well house, right? And then obviously I still have to put these up here, but I need to put the wood up here first. So you guys will see that probably when I'm doing the door. But yeah, but another day closer to getting all that junk over there into here. I still need to clean out, you know, the trash out of the back of the truck, because I need to haul some rocks, which you're probably saying, well, why don't you just use Lil Mac to haul some rocks? Well, let me go show you. So if you're new to the channel, I'd like to introduce y'all to Little Mac. I can always throw that up here in the corner of how we acquired Lil Mac and such, but this is our dilemma. Yeah, I love Swiss cheese, but not on my tractor. So yeah, that's gonna be the project coming up here soon, of getting that done. And I'm probably gonna have help from the community in doing that, because why not share the love, you know, bring in, you know, some other folks from the community, work with the community. And yeah, especially if they have a skill set that I don't, or I do, but their skill set is more professional than mine, that they can do welding and I suck at it. So yeah, so I'm gonna be doing that, but that's to come. Well, mom and the little one's back, so we are going to go ahead and get this one wrapped up. I need to get showered because I am gonna have to go pick up the other kiddo from school when she's done with band practice. But Gladys is gonna go ahead and get some dinner started. So we can all eat and be merry and happy and round. Round's a shape, right? I'm in shape. Yeah. That's what I keep telling myself. But anyway, you guys, we definitely appreciate y'all for following the journey on the well house. Keep sending in your votes over on the community tab of what we plan to name this. Boom, putting the sign right up there on the top. And last but not least, remember to always thank a veteran every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day. And oh yeah, by the way, also forgot, there's another video here you can check out. Playlist over here kind of helps with our watch hours and such, helps us get paid. And then we got the 2 tabs up here that you can go check out our side channel and then also our main channel. But all right, you guys, see you on the next one. Bye bye now.